Hello, this is Saurabh. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Java Coder. Today I will show you how to apply do while loop in Java. So do while loop specially used when you need to execute your statement at least once even your condition is false. So we will go by the syntax. First I will show you the syntax of the do while loop and then we will apply that syntax. Okay, so first this is the syntax do, and then here it will be body of loop, and then here there will be while and then condition. So and termination. Here body of the loop coming first and then condition means it will check for the condition. So this portion will be executed even if this portion is not true, means it is false. Okay, so we will here we are taking one variable type of int, name is I. Here I am initiating it by 0, applying the value 0. Now what our syntax is do and then curly braces. Okay, so here I will apply the output of the I, then here value of I is, and then adding I, so it will be outputted by the value of I. Okay, now we will see it later. Here I am giving iteration by 1 to I, and here I am applying the condition while I less than 10, then termination. Okay, so I am saving this by giving save1, and then I will run it. Okay, so here you can see we have got 1 0 to 9, means we have started from here 0, and then it will printed I less than 10. Here I am here giving if I less than 5, and I is giving save1. If I run it, then it will 0 1 2 3 4. See, now this statement has been executed when this still this I less than 5 evaluated. Okay, so here this is the variable, loop variable. I am telling this is the body of loop, and here I have given iteration. Here this is condition. Okay, so this you can apply do while loop in Java. Thanks for watching. We will meet with all of you by the new video.